Hi everyone, my name's Helen and we're here at the National Marine Aquarium and it's time for our toddler crafts. So this week we'll be making these fun starfish wands. So all you're going to need is a piece of card like this, a pair of scissors, a pencil, some form of stick, it doesn't matter which one, a bit of sellotape there, a glue stick, and then some little scrap bits of paper there as well. So to make our starfish wand, you can see there, we're going to have to start by drawing a starfish onto a piece of paper. So this is what a real starfish looks like. You can see that it's got 5 arms there, so we're going to draw a 5-armed starfish straight onto this piece of paper here, like this. Okay, and now we need to be very careful, make sure you've got an adult helping you, but we're going to cut out the starfish. So, this is our starfish. Don't worry if he's a little bit wonky. Starfish come in all different shapes and colours and sizes. So this is my starfish here. Now, what we're going to do is decorate him. So, pop him on the floor there. I'm just going to use a bit of my glue here and just cover him in glue like this. So now he's nice and sticky. What we're going to do is get our scrap bits of paper and I'm just going to give them a little scrunch up like this so they're all scrunchy. And then we're just going to pop them straight onto the starfish. Okay, so now we've got our lovely starfish there, but we need to make him a little bit more magical. So what we're going to do is add a stick so he can turn into a nice little wand. I'm just going to flip him over, put the stick there, get a bit of tape. Put that on there, like that. And then, ta-da! This is our lovely starfish wand. Thank you for joining us today. If you've got any creations you want to show us, post them in the comments below, and we'll see you next week. Bye!